Hello friends and respected teacher. My name is Yash Ashokrav Khandre. I am from Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, Department of Chemistry, BSc 3rd year, Semester 6, Ambassador Group. My seminar topic is Application of Radioisotopes, guided by Burghate ma'am. So let's see. Radioisotopes. Isotopes are atoms of an elements that have the same proton number but a different nucleon number. Unstable isotopes which decay and give out radioactive emission, naturally occurring, artificially produced. Properties of radioisotopes: emits radioactive radiation which, first point, have different penetrating ability with materials of different thickness and densities. Second, kill cells. And third, cause cell mutation. Fourth, loneliness molecule. Fifth, have the same chemical properties as non-radioactive isotopes of the elements, some elements. Last is its activity decrease with time. Next point, application of isotopes. The three types of isotopes. First is medicine, second is agriculture, and third is industry. So we have seen first medicine. Medicine uses radiation to provide information about the function of the specific organs of a patient or to treat disease. Second is radioisotopes is taken in by a patient. Third, the radiation emitted enable organs to be easily imaged by imaging equipments. Last is disorder can then be detected and treated. And next is medical tracers. A chemical tagged with a tiny amount of radioisotopes is injected into the body. Its process, its progress through the body can be detected using a sensitive gamma camera. So you can see if the organs are processing the chemical correctly. And next point is agriculture. Study the effectiveness of fertilizer. Nitrogen 15 or phosphorus 32 is added to soil water. After the plant observe the soil water, the radioisotopes can track uptake of fertilizer from root to leaves. Radioisotopes are used to kill pests and parasites and to control the ripening of fruits, induce genetic mutation in a plants, better strain, higher resistance against disease. The agriculture treasures. Thyroid glands, iodine 131 will be used. 1 by 4 of the total amount of iodine in the body can be stored in the thyroid glands. Amount of iodine entering the glands can be seen by detecting the radioactive emitted from the radioactive iodine, lambda and beta emitter with a short half life is used. And next point is industries. The alpha particles from polonium 210 is used to nitrozylic static charge in photographic plates and other materials. Water can be made radioactive by dissolving some radioactive salts which contain sodium 24. The beta particles emitted are detected by a GM tube. Lambda rays can be used to penetrate deep into welding to detect faults. The industrial tracers. Small amount of radioactive substance can be allowed to flow along a leaky pipelines. The reading from a GM counter will rise as you pass the point where there is a leak. Thank you.